Recording the start करें बोले तो. Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my father's YouTube channel. Today the topic of discussion would be about Ruchaka Yoga. Ruchaka Yoga is one of the Panch Mahapurush Yoga which is formed by the planet Mars. My father will explain about the Ruchak Yoga, how it is formed and what are its characteristics.
ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वाग विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नो शिव प्रचोदयात्. Today's topic is Ruchak Yoga. It comes under five great yogas known as Panch Mahapurush Yoga. Mind it, sun and moon never form this yoga. So except sun, moon, Rahu, Ketu, the remaining planets Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn, they form Panch Mahapurush Yoga. Out of them, Mars form Ruchak Yoga. It is heartbreaking to know that nowadays the so-called astrologer also consider the Ruchak Yoga and Panch Mahapurush Yoga while a planet occupies Trikona house also. But this is not fair. This is not fair. It is against the classical theory of Vedic Jyotish. The Kendras are powerful than Trikonas. The Kendras are always powerful than Trikonas. Kendras are the houses of Vishnu and Trikona are the houses of Lakshmi. So Trikona are the supportive, but not the ruling. The rulings bhavas are the Kendra bhava. I am saying bhava, not houses. Houses are the position, Kendra position in Rashi chart, whereas the bhavas are the Kendra position in Chalitra chart. The great astrologer and authors, Balbhadra, in his Horasars, wants us to follow the Chal Chakra when considering the Kendra Bhava and Trikona Bhava. So this is very important. So what I mean to say, the Ruchak and other Panch Mahapurush yogas are formed in Chalitra Chakra when Chalitra Chakra is powerful, mind it. So whenever Mars occupies any one of the Kendra houses, Bhava, not houses, any one of the Kendra Bhava, it results in Ruchak Yoga, Ruchak Mahapurush Yoga. So Mars is a very energetic planet. It is dominating and energetic. It displays the energy. It is fit for leading a team, whether it's a Sena, or army, or a group of people. Mars is a perfect leader. The son of Lord Shiva, Kartikeya. Mars symbolizes Kartikeya in planetary cabinet. In his teenage, he became the Dev Senapati. This is the power of Mars and Ruchak Yoga, forming by its occupancy in any one of the Kendra Bhava. So, the person having this Mahapurush Yoga in his horoscope is or becomes a great warrior. Or if he it is quite possible that he will not be a warrior, but he became the great struggler, and he is able to give the definite direction to this world and society. This is what Mars can do. Mars is known for his skills in battlefield. If there is no battle, there is no value of Mars. Mars remains like an ordinary person. But in the battlefield, he is known for his struggling, his warrior nature, his all that suits to a warrior. Same way, when the atmosphere of the world or globe or a country or a society become polluted, a man evolves to remove those all pollution. It is our uh, it is our bhagya that nowadays we witness such a person who evolved as a world leader. Now, no one is touching him nowadays. I'm just telling you the name of that leader. That is none other than Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi, our honorable Prime Minister of India. He is having Ruchak Yoga. There are two types of his horoscope which is available at internet. First is of Scorpio ascendant and other is for Libra ascendant. If Modi ji, now listen carefully what I am saying. Listen carefully. If Modi ji had a Scorpio ascendant, he would have been wealthy due to Chandramangal conjunction or Chandramangal yoga. And if he had Libra ascendant horoscope, he would have been born in a wealthy family. He would have been born in a wealthy family. I am repeating this. It was 12th October 2022 at 23 hours 20 minutes Indian Standard Time when I published my article on the Facebook page of mine, and I predicted about Modi ji. And what I have predicted, I am reproducing here. Modi ji is Lagnais Tula. This is confirmed. And his Chalit Chakra is very much powerful. Now I have taken the Chalit Chakra of Modi ji. In his Chalit Chakra, Mars occupying its own sign Vrishchik moves to Lagna Bhava. Now there is no Chandramangal Yoga. Chandramangal Yoga had defunct. This Mars also, sorry, so Mars forms Ruchak Yoga in Modi ji's horoscope because in Lagna Bhava it occupies Scorpio sign. No doubt Lagna is Tula. The Vinshotri Dasha of Mars will be from 13 October 2020 to 13 October 2029. So what I have predicted is no one can stop Modi ji to achieve his goal within 30th October 2022 to 30th October 2029. Not a single leader in the past, present, or future will be able to stand before him in this entire world. His horoscope will become powerful enough to approve the corruption from the system, and he will be able to write a new history of this present world. This I have predicted. I'm not predicting. I have not given any new prediction about Modi ji. This I have shared what I have already predicted on my Facebook page. If anyone wants to read that post, go to my Facebook page. So, in this way, Ruchak Yog, if you want to know that about the Ruchak Yog, now examine precisely what Modi ji is doing. So, in battlefield, the opposition becomes the army of the enemy becomes strong. And it is the duty of the warrior, of the commander, of the army
Yes, Gurudev.
to take to fight against the enemy army. And nowadays, the pollution and negativities become the atmosphere around, not around the India, but around the world. And Modi ji is doing doing his job, doing his role like a warrior. This is
Very.
what Ruchak Yog in his horoscope reflect. So it is some sort of prediction. I have done some sort of prediction which I never want to do. So
Yes, Gurudev.
any more question?
No.
No, Gurudev. No.
So I am now closing the meeting. So I will be back again with other remaining Mahapurush Yoga very soon. Till then, goodbye. भगवान शिव एवं भगवती पार्वती आप सभी को सद्बुद्धि प्रदान करें.
Thank you, Gurudev.